Alright, so I have these strings here to show you what some of the knots look like, just a bit closer up with something thicker because it might be harder to tell on the sutures. I just took these two strings and attempted a modified Kessler attachment. Attempted. And yeah, I'm just going to show you some basics to the knot tying. This is not the hand ties yet, those will come at the end. But to introduce that now, a hand tie is when you do the tie with your hands, and then an instrument tie is when you use the instrument to make the knot. And we're going to start off with the instrument ties, but right now I want to show you using my hands what they look like and some terminology, just so you get a better understanding of it. So the one knot everyone knows is crossing it over, putting it under, and pulling it. So this is the overhand knot, or the half hitch knot, and it's the fundamental and basic knot we'll be starting out with. And then when you do one overhand knot and then do another on top of it, you have the reef knot or the square knot. And it makes a bit of a square if you use your imagination. So that is essentially the fundamental one, the square knot, which is the two overhand knots. But now the surgeon's tie, which is to add tension and is going to be the first one we're starting out with, is basically the overhand knot, but you wrap it twice, and we'll wrap it around our instrument twice, which you'll get that reference when we get to it. We have it there, and that holds the tension, and then we do a half hitch on top. There we go. That looks a bit more like a square if we do that. And then we do another half hitch and another and another. So we do that a few times until we're satisfied, and once again it depends on the situation you're in and what you need the knot for. But yeah, this is the basic knot that we're going to learn